Hi everyone, welcome back. New Year evening is around the corner, and in today's video I will walking you through how to create this stunning New Year home party makeup look that's easy to create and will last all night long. So grab all your makeup essential and get comfortable and let's get started. Starting with Dot and Key Ceramide Moisturizer, this is a great option for those who are looking to hydrate, protect and repair the skin barrier. It has ceramide, hyaluronic acid, probiotics and rice water. It provides long-lasting moisture and helps keep the skin healthy and plump. Moving to the next step, which is primer, I am using the Mars Grip Primer. This has been compared to higher end primers like Professional by Benefit or the Grip Primer by Elf Cosmetic, as they all share similar pore filling and grip enhancing qualities. However, the Mars version is an excellent affordable option for creating a smooth long lasting base for makeup. For concealer, I am using this Inside Cream Concealer. It is an affordable plus accessible option for those on a budget, offering good coverage for blemish and dark circle. Its buildable and blendable formula ensures that it doesn't look cakey, providing a smooth natural finish. The one thing that I really like about this concealer is it's not thick or heavy, making it excellent choice for fresh and breathable look. Now I'm applying a good thick layer of lip gloss. I'll be using a liquid lipstick later, so for that I'm prepping my lips. For this look, I'm looking for a lightweight, natural finish with a boost of hydration. It gives medium coverage to even out your skin tone with still feeling breathable and comfortable all day long. With SPF 15 offers a little sun protection. It's made with natural Ayurvedic ingredients, so it nourishes your skin while providing the radiant glow. Now I'm applying a liquid blush. Liquid blushes are easy to apply and gives your cheek a gorgeous dewy glow. The formula blends beautifully into the skin, gives you that just pinched look without any hustle. Whether you prefer a soft buildable tint or a bold pop of color, you just apply a few drops of this and you are good to go. Since I have used all cream based and liquid based products on my base, I am quickly going to set everything with a loose powder before it starts creasing. For that, I am using Pond's Natural Glow Face Powder. It gives a soft luminous glow while keeping your skin looking fresh and matte all the day. This is perfect for a quick touch up or setting your makeup as well. For my eyes today, I am using the Mars Mesmerize Colorful Eyeshadow Palette. This palette is full with vibrant shades and it's highly pigmented with blendable formula. It blends like butter on the eyes. This one palette is perfect for creating bold and fun eye look that stands out. I have applied a shimmer shade all over my eyelid and then going with a dark blue color to create a wing liner. Next, I am going to curl my eyelashes and apply mascara. Maybelline mascara are some of the most reliable and effective products on the market, offering a variety of formulas that cater to different lash needs. It gives long-lasting wear, high-performance result. No wonder why Maybelline have become a staple in so many makeup bags. Next, I am filling my eyebrows with the Mars Eyebrow Pencil. It comes with a dual end design. One side features the pencil for filling and design, while the other side has a spoolie brush for blending and grooming your brows for perfection. Next, I'm removing the lip gloss and going with a dusty brown lip liner, and then I'll apply a liquid lipstick. This is by the brand L'Oreal Paris and this is in the shade I Decide. To shine my skin like never before, I am using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter. This shiny highlighter gives you the perfect lit from within glow with just a few swipes. Whether you are looking for a subtle glow or a blinding highlighter, this is buildable and perfect for every skin tone. And that's the final look. I hope you enjoyed this makeup as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. As we wrap up this year, I just wanted to take a moment to wish you all a very happy new year. May 2025 brings you happiness, success and health. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next year. Bye.